Nothing's happening right now. Maybe if we go to the store, as you can see, it's actually generating unlimited IC and unlimited gems all in my account right now. Hello my YouTube friends, my name is Michael, and in today's tutorial we will be showing you how you can get unlimited gems and unlimited IC all in your favorite mobile game, NBA Infinity. Free, safe and online, without downloading any mobile applications or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial, and you'll be having unlimited IC and unlimited gems, guys. First step is open up your browser, Safari, Google, doesn't matter, and type your address right here, appspatch.com, and search your game or app. Okay, guys. Sorry for that. And click on continue. Enter your username. Guys, please enter your username in your NBA Infinity game or account, of course. Give me a second. Okay, and choose your platform. I select iOS, and very fun step, guys. Oh my god, select your gems and select your IC. I select maximum gems and select 500,000 IC. I find this UI online, testing in a few timelines, so it works perfectly, and I like to share it with you guys. Okay, everything is perfect right now, and a very important step, guys, complete 2 tasks below. Okay, guys, I understand, guys. All of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working perfectly for both iOS and devices. Quick advice, please don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. Okay guys, I installed 3 app and be right back. Okay my people, you already complete all steps. Everything is here, and open up your favorite mobile game. Okay guys, wait for loads up. NBA Infinity is my favorite mobile game, and I have spent so much time playing, but I'm never satisfied with my score. But that will change now. Okay, guys. LeBron, wait for loads up. Okay, guys. Nothing's happening right now. Maybe if we go to the store, as you can see, it's actually generating unlimited IC and unlimited gems all in my account right now. Leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.